Welcome to this guide on NFT Marketplaces. These are specialized platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade non-fungible tokens, which are unique digital assets. Today, we'll explore the three most popular marketplaces: OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. Each platform has its own features, fees, and target audience, so understanding their differences will help you choose the right one for your needs. An NFT marketplace is a digital platform that functions like an online store for non-fungible tokens. These platforms allow users to create, discover, buy, sell, and trade NFTs. Key features include wallet integration, which connects your cryptocurrency wallet to the platform, NFT discovery tools that help you browse and search for digital assets, and instant trading capabilities that enable quick transactions. Think of it as a combination of an art gallery, auction house, and online store, all designed specifically for digital assets. OpenSea is the largest and most well-known NFT marketplace in the world. It was one of the first peer-to-peer marketplaces for NFTs and supports multiple blockchains including Ethereum, Polygon, Clayton, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Avalanche. This multi-chain support gives users flexibility in choosing which blockchain to use. OpenSea offers gas-free minting, meaning you can create NFTs without paying upfront transaction fees. Other features include bulk listings for selling multiple items at once, collection offers where buyers can make offers on entire collections, and rarity rankings that help identify valuable items. The platform charges a 2.5% marketplace fee on all sales, with optional creator royalties. OpenSea provides an excellent user experience with several standout features. It offers a wide selection of millions of NFTs across various categories including art, gaming items, collectibles, and domain names. The easy minting process allows anyone to create NFTs without coding knowledge or upfront gas fees. OpenSea includes comprehensive analytics tools to track collection statistics, floor prices, and trading volumes. For security, the platform uses verification badges with blue check marks for verified collections to help prevent scams. It supports flexible pricing options, including fixed-price sales, auctions, and bundle deals. The multi-chain capability means you can trade across different blockchains from a single interface, making it convenient for users with diverse portfolios. Rarible is a community-owned NFT marketplace that stands out for its decentralized governance model. The platform has its own governance token called RARI, which gives holders voting rights on platform decisions. What makes Rarible unique is its multi-marketplace aggregator feature. This means Rarible searches across multiple platforms, including OpenSea and LooksRare, allowing you to find the best deals without visiting each marketplace separately. Rarible supports several blockchains including Ethereum, Tezos, Polygon, Immutable X, and Flow. The platform is particularly creator-focused, offering lazy minting, where NFTs are only minted when purchased, customizable royalties for ongoing creator earnings, and unlockable content features that let creators add exclusive content for buyers. The RARI token is Rarible's governance token that plays a central role in the platform's decentralized structure. Token holders have voting rights on important platform decisions and fee structures through a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. This DAO voting system allows the community to submit proposals and make collective decisions about the platform's future. Users can earn RARI tokens as rewards through marketplace activity, creating an incentive for active participation. The open protocol approach ensures transparent and decentralized governance, meaning no single entity controls the platform. This community-driven model sets Rarible apart from traditional marketplaces and gives users a real voice in how the platform operates. Foundation is a curated NFT platform specifically designed for high-quality digital art and creative works. Unlike OpenSea and Rarible, Foundation operates on an invite-only model, creating an exclusive community of verified creators and collectors. The platform uses a reserve auction system where artworks are sold through auctions that last 24 hours, with prices increasing as new bids come in. This creates excitement and helps discover the true market value of artworks. Foundation's fee structure includes a 15% platform fee on sales, with 10% perpetual royalties going to creators on all future resales. This higher fee reflects the platform's focus on premium art and its curated approach. The exclusivity and quality focus have made Foundation popular among established digital artists and serious collectors. Foundation's artist-first approach includes several unique features. The Creator Network is built through an invite system that ensures a high-quality community of artists, maintaining standards and prestige. The platform has a premium focus, emphasizing high-value digital art and creativity rather than mass-market collectibles. Timed auctions with 24-hour countdowns create urgency and excitement around each sale. Foundation supports split payments, allowing automatic revenue sharing for collaborative artworks between multiple creators. The reserve auction model helps with price discovery, optimizing artwork value by letting the market determine fair prices. Most importantly, Foundation prioritizes quality over scale. This curated approach maintains the marketplace's prestige and ensures that artists and collectors are part of a respected community. For serious digital artists looking to establish themselves in the NFT space, Foundation offers a prestigious platform with strong creator support.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.